So hi guys, so in this video we gonna discuss how to the English, the the way of the practicing your alone. Like if you haven't any person in your around, like in your environment, you should the practice the needed for them, for you yourself. Because of if you haven't any friends, like if you haven't any environment, so try this are the like how to I am practicing to every day, like like I'm also speaking I'm also speaking in the English, the communication too every day, because of I am listening so much of some movies and some of the content also. But I am also practicing, but the some of time I can't speak, like I'm stucking, I know. But every day I am the practicing, because of if you get the fluency, or if you some of the word you will be repeatedly you using, that is makes sense. Why I am saying means, if you speaking some new words, your mouth will be the new word, it is adaptability, it is the tough. So you need to how to say the so sorry in my room some of the noise is there, so wait for I will make it. Like if you using the frequently that word, that is important. If you repeatedly using, you can easily speak that word. The some of the word, like I am embarrassing, and also I am bad. Like I am fluent some of the English while speaking, but the some of time I am not speak at good. So in my opinion, the speak with alone, speak with your yourself. Why I am saying means, if you practicing alone, yeah, you can easily speak with some people are the interaction that time. Like why I am saying means, like if like if some of the people in your around there while you speaking to conversation, that one man or some people, you can usually the conversation build, but no one there in your around, how will you speaking? So it will be that tough. So try to speak alone. And also if you some people speak with you, yeah, you can easily speak with them. So you should the practicing every day. So in this video we're gonna discuss how to the practice alone. So listening so much of like movies like Harry Potter and Modern Family, so like that way, yeah, you can speak that, you can listening those movies, and like that way, yeah, it is important for the everyone. Because of I'm also beginner, but I'm also trying to speaking, the listening, and also the reading. If you reading the some of the book, that is also helpful. So speak little, yeah, you can fluency can get high. So why I am saying means, because of if you the practicing like your strength, like if you make a mistake, that is also helpful for your communication skills. Because of if you made a mistake, you learn from the mistake. So it is important for your thing, in my opinion. So please put on the practice, so every day it is the main to everyone. So thank you for watching this video and also supporting me. So if you know I made, so sorry, around some friend is going. So if you know I made any mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will correct them upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for watching.